Hello, welcome to Steve McDonald Crafting, and today what I'm going to do is I'm going to have a go at some sublimation. I have got a sublimation printer, and you know, it was an absolute bargain. I got it off Facebook Marketplace. It did take a couple of weeks for it to get to me, and it cost me £50, including ink, completely converted, and it works lovely. And I also got myself some sublimation paper because I thought, well, if I'm going to do some sublimation, then I really ought to get the correct paper. And it was this sublimation paper, and it came for 200 sheets. I will link everything that I used today in the description below, don't worry. And I can now link for America, the UK, Canada, and Australia. So great news. So what I've done is I've got myself the logo for this channel. I want 2 of these, so I'm going to duplicate it. I don't want it as a basic cut, I want it as a print and cut. So what I need to do is, because these are all my own designs and everything is removable, as you can see here, I want to ensure that I've got it all connected. So I'm going to flatten this image. We'll highlight that. We'll flatten. It means I can now move this all without any problems. Let's go to make it, and it's showing up on there okay as a print and cut. What I'm going to do is just print this as it is now and see how that comes out and if it fits my mug. But what I need to do before I do anything else is mirror those images and click continue. We don't need the bleed on. And then I'm going to send to the printer, and let's see what happens. So now that should print my 2 images without the bleed on. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to let this dry up for a few seconds, and then I'm going to put it onto my mug, and I'll show you how I'm going to do that. But first of all, obviously I'm going to cut this black line out because I don't want that black line around my image. I've got my mug, and now I want it obviously to go on so the image is facing that way up. And I'm just going to give the mug a quick clean with 99% alcohol, just in case there's any grease or anything on it that I'm not aware of from when it was delivered to me. That should be nice and dry now. And I've got some heat resistant tape, and I will again pop this into the description below. I could do with a tape dispenser for that, really. And now I need to make a decision on where I'm going to put this image. I would like it there. I'm quite excited about this, I have to say. Let me know in the comments if you've been making mugs already, and if you are, what you're doing and how you're doing them. I'd love to know. Let's just check my placement. Yeah, I'm quite happy with that. It's my first one. I'm not too worried. That is up the right way, both of them, because if not, that's going to be a bit silly. I've got my mug press set up here. It's up to temperature already. It's at 400 degrees, which is what I'm going to run it at. Before I put my mug in, what I want to do is I want to protect the inside of my mug press. So I'm just going to pop a little bit of paper, which is normal copy paper. And I'm also going to let it run for 240 seconds, which is 4 minutes. And I'm going to set that on my timer here on my phone and hit that in quite tight. So that should be quite tight now, and push start. And we'll come back to that as soon as the timer's gone off. Turn that off. We'll release that mug, and the handle shouldn't be hot. No, the handle's not hot at all. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to let this cool down first completely. I'm not going to fill it with water or anything like that, because the last thing I want to do is crack this mug or get any really hairline fractures in it. Just going to put it somewhere to cool, and then I will take the paper off and we can have a look at it. The mug's all cooled down now, so I'm just hoping that it's worked. So let's have a look. Let's just take the tape off. So a little sneak peek. Oh, I hope it's worked. I can't believe how good that has come out. And that isn't down to my skills. That's just down to the sublimation paper, the ink, and the printer. Oh, look at that. How cute is that? Steve McDonald Crafting. Oh, look at that, it's so cute. Let me know what you think of it as well in the comments. And don't forget to hit that thumbs up. Everything I've used today is linked in the description. And if you'd like to buy me a coffee just to say thank you for any of my videos, then the link for that is in the description as well. So there we go. It's all packed up. Take care. Enjoy your crafting. Bye.